Control number 259-A, please tell me something about yourself.
Good day, ma'am. I am Dalis Kimbongan, 31 years old, married. I have one child. She is a girl, 7 years old. We are 5 in the family. I have one brother, 3 sisters, and I am the eldest in the family. With regards to my educational attainment, I am a college undergraduate. I took up Bachelor of Science in Nursing. Sir, Madam, with regards to my work experience here in the Philippines for 8 months, as a nanny to Mrs. Lee, I started up August 2013 and to present. I serve for 3 members of the family consisting of 2 adults and 1 child aged 11 years old. My duties and responsibilities is to help the child supervise her on her studies. And also I worked for 3 years as a house helper to Mrs. Kim. I started up September 2009 and ended up June 2012. I serve 4 members of the family consisting of 2 adults and 2 children aged 15 and 17. My duties and responsibilities is to help some household chores. Sir, Madam, I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to help my husband raise our child well off. Sir, Madam, I don't know how to cook Chinese food, but ma'am, I am willing to be trained and learn. Sir, Madam, I
Okay, so what are your other skills you can do?
I have other skills that I can do inside the house like gardening, hand sewing, computer knowledge, and car washing. Sir, Madam, a good domestic helper must possess the characteristics such as hardworking, kind, patient, trustworthy, honest, understanding, friendly, polite, jolly, and child-loving. Sir, Madam, dear Sir, Madam, if ever you will choose me as your domestic helper, I promise to do my job well and I promise to finish my contract with you 2 years or more. Thank you very much. Pwede higit mo yun?